audit siya. Yung last box yan.
And our job is to separate it anyway, and we need to turn the CSV variable with the names into a list.
I'm not sure that if a lot of you guys know about this trick or not, but Coursera is giving a free course when you audit the course, but the catch is that you won't get a certificate out of that course after you complete it. But I think it's pretty much awesome tool if you just want to get started in Coursera and you want to have you want to learn something new. So in this React course that which was paid, I got this for free by just signing up with my account and just going into the course. So let's say I just want to learn another thing, like I just want to see like meta front end or meta web development or front end developer course. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over here and see the courses which is paid. If I just click on this enroll for free, then it will show me the 70-day free trial, and we don't want like this. So we just want to go in a deeper section like in courses, and if I just say like I want to learn, let's say for now, okay, let's say for this thing I want to learn HTML and CSS in depth, and after this section I will start the enroll for free. But here's the catch. Here you can see that this is the audit course for free, which will give us the free version of this course. If I just go this over here, if I just click on the audit the course, you can see every single thing about this course. And if I just play, I can play this thing. So this is very much awesome tool. So this is how you can get Coursera course for free without having to pay a single dollar. I just knew this trick yesterday night, so I'm also pretty much new to this and I haven't pretty much explored about this thing, but I thought to just share this cool little trick with you guys since I've basically just discovered this thing. So yes, there you go. I've been trying to learn web development from scratch, which I don't have a prior experience in doing it. So basically today I found a video about the Docker thing, which means that you can deploy the app into I don't know if it works in your computer, but if it doesn't work in others, then that is the problem that the Docker is solving. So I think that I'm trying to learn Docker. So I just see a video of Beyond Fireship about simple Python script that runs in Docker. So I'm gonna follow that video because I have been trying to learn new things like for web development like Django, and I'm also trying to learn HTML, CSS, JS, and maybe TypeScript, React in further. But for now I'm just gonna stick with this 2 to 3 languages because I wanna create more of the projects rather than just learning more and more. So I will like to be building more projects and understanding the basic fundamentals. So that is what I'm trying to do instead of falling into the tutorial hell. I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna install a Docker and I'm gonna run a Python script in a Docker, and let's see if I can do it or not. So this is me trying to learn web development thing. So yes, let's go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Docker on your Windows machine. Right now I'm on Windows 11 seated. I'm going to close it and I'm going to restart my PC. You should do that too. So I have restarted my PC. I'm now going to open the Docker. So this is what you should see when you first time open the Docker.
I don't know, I'm doing something wrong out of this, but the Docker that I'm running is showing me an error, which I also don't know what the problem really is. So I'm gonna try resolve it right now by watching the videos. This is the thing that I was trying to tell, and this is the errors that I'm getting. And I'm also doing a GitHub chat and I'm gonna see if it will work or not. So I'm gonna check now more about it in YouTube. So I think that I am building a Docker image right now, which I also don't know what I'm doing, but it seems like doing something over here like this, and I might get some images over here after the build is complete, if that is right from
Going
this
to Docker Desktop, we should see it here in the Images panel.
Yeah, so if everything goes right, then I will be able to see something over here. So yes, let's hope the Docker image is like building right now. So this is the thing right now happening over here. So they say that it might take some minutes over here and there. I wanna see what actually the processes is being currently used by my Docker building process. So it's kind of like laggy right now. So it is using memory, I guess, rather than CPU. I don't know anything about it, so okay, I might be mistaken. So okay, it's running like kind of like something over here again. So yes, let's give it a moment to build. And if everything goes all right, then I will be able to see images over here. So okay, I think my battery is also gonna get dead right now by building this stuff. Okay, let's see for a minute right now, and if it doesn't work, then I will go and charge some batteries. To make things clear, I want to say that I'm completely a beginner in this coding thing, and I don't really know about this stuff right now, but I'm gonna follow some of the tutorials and I'm gonna see what it usually feels like to be building something and deploying something via coding, or especially via this Python and Docker thing, which I want to focus right now in this current state. I don't want to go through detailed version of Docker because I'm not gonna try to develop Docker. Okay, so okay, something has been popped off over here. I think the build is complete, and yes, something has been popped off. Okay, I guess we are good to go right now, and I will see what we have to do.
Actually run the image as a container, we simply hit the play button and make sure to map the port to something we can use on localhost. And now the app is always ready to go in the background with Docker. Pretty cool. And
oh my goodness. So I have finally built and launched the port in Docker. I think it is good because when I just close the Docker system, or when I close my Visual Studio port, it will simply just try and run like this. Like if I just play it here, put up that started, and if I just go over here, and if I just go browse, and if I just select my own photo, and it will run in the process, background process, and it will simply generate me a final file, I guess. That's how it will work. So okay, it has generated a final file, and if I just open it here, it will just give me the final photo. So after running about a little bit of Docker and here and there of Python, and I'm now trying to learn again a Django, and I wanna build a CRM software that I've been following from the website, kind of like YouTube, and I will try to manipulate it on my own. Since now I know how to create, I simply basically replicate those things. I will again try to replicate that thing again, so that I will have a deeper understanding or meaningful understanding again, and this will help me a lot in my upcoming project, which like I'm gonna try to create a custom based CRM. So basically I will just create a new one and I will just follow with that Django project. Before that, simply that will help me just reform that connection again of that Django, and I will create my own software, own version of software that I wanna make. So that is the plan for now. And I have a little bit of, I will draw a little bit of concept over here and there now, and I will simply just initiate the process by learning again Django, simply just making that thing. I just learned what is Docker and what is the use of Docker. I just find it out. Simply Docker is kind of like if you have a Visual Studio Code and you use Flask to run the applications, or Django to run applications, simply the Docker is that you won't need a Visual Studio to just run that thing. You simply open Docker image with a container, and it will simply just run that program for you in a browser, in a local host, in a port. So that is, I think that is what I learned, understood from Docker. And yes, I will now try to develop another thing, which is Django project. I will just try to create that thing, and I will maybe switch over to React in a couple bit of period. Simply I have to reform all the connection and all the things that I've learned. Simply yes, that is the plan for it now. So yes, I will now learn the thing. Let's go. So I have been setting up Django project for almost 1.5 hours, and finally I didn't create another database for SQL. So the problem was I was trying to create a database connection for another SQL in my local host, but I couldn't figure it out. The same replication was being done, so I thought of not making another connection because it was wasting my time. So I respected my time and just used my own personal SQL database and integrated with this new Django project. So yes, now finally we are going to do some bootstrapping and just creating some of the apps right now. So yes, the learning was respect your time. If it's taking a long period of time, then just ditch that and just do the thing that has to be done. So I think that will be the end of this video, and I haven't done pretty much yet about the new Django project because I'm feeling much tired. Hopefully I will try tomorrow or this upcoming week. I will try to build some of the CRM things in Django maybe. And yes, so that is for this today video, and I will see you in next one. Until that time, have a great day, have a safe day. Peace out.